Welcome back students to standard 10th chemistry chapter 3 metals and non-metals, and we are in the 9th session. Probably one more session would be required to complete this chapter. Alright children, now metals and their chief minerals. We have learned what are minerals? The naturally occurring elements or compound which are obtained from the earth crust. They are called minerals. And if any element or compound is present in good proportion in the mineral, and if its extraction from it is beneficial, profitable, then that mineral is called ore. Correct? So we will see some chief ores which are available in India. Alright, ores are chiefly in combined forms like silicate, carbonate, ऑक्साइड, फॉस्फेट एंड सल्फाइड. ओके, सिलिका से कंबाइन हुआ तो सिलिकेट फॉर्म में और होगा, कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन से कंबाइन हुआ तो कार्बोनेट फॉर्म में होगा, सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन से कंबाइन हुआ होगा तो ऑक्साइड फॉर्म में होगा, फॉस्फोरस और ऑक्सीजन के साथ कंबाइंड फॉर्म में मिलेगा तो वो फॉस्फेट फॉर्म, और सल्फर के साथ कंबाइंड फॉर्म होगा तो वो सल्फाइड. ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, सो मोस्टली ओर्स, दिस ऑर्डर दैट यू सी, most of the ores are in silicate form, then comes carbonate, then oxide, and then other forms of ores are there. Alright, now let's see the ore of iron. Alright, four ores are known: magnetite, hematite, siderite, and iron pyrite. Now the molecular formula of hematite is Fe2O3. So iron combines with oxygen, so this is oxide form. Correct? Here magnetite, yes, here also iron combines with oxygen. The molecular formula are different. This is also oxide form of ore. Then siderite, FeCO3, CO3, carbon or oxygen. So this is carbonate form of ore. And iron pyrite, you can see iron combines with sulfur. So this is sulfide form. So we saw oxide, we saw carbonate form and sulfide form of ore of iron. Okay, but mostly iron is extracted from hematite. Simple reason, it must be available in large quantity and it is easy to remove, extract iron from hematite. This may be costly affair and even available in less quantities. Alright. In which state of India you will find the ore of iron? Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Bihar and Goa. Correct children? Next is aluminium. Aluminium has only one ore, popular ore, and it is called bauxite. Al2O3. Yes, some moisture is there. Correct? Okay. And aluminium is combining with oxygen. So this is oxide form of ore. Correct? Yes. In which state do we get bauxite? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. Children, see this Bihar. Everywhere. See here also Bihar and last also Bihar. So Bihar is rich in mineral resources. Alright. Now this was aluminium. Next let's see copper. There are four ores of copper which are available. Cuprite, which is oxide form, you can easily identify now. Copper pyrite वो sulfide form है. Correct? It is sulfide form. Copper glance वो भी सल्फाइड फॉर्म है. यह ग्लांस में आयन इंप्योरिटी नहीं है, कॉपर पायरेट में आयन इंप्योरिटी है. और मेलेचाइट वो हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म है. ऑलराइट, इट इज डिफरेंट फॉर्म, हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म है. ऑलराइट, जो यहां एक्सेट्रा में आएगा. चलिए, इट इज अवेलेबल इन बिहार एंड राजस्थान. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैल्शियम. नेक्स्ट मेटल इज कैल्शियम. And you get from limestone, dolomite and gypsum. Limestone is calcium carbonate, so that is carbonate form of ore. This is calcium magnesium carbonate. Yes, there are two metals. Magnesium is in the form of impurity, but this is again a carbonate form of ore. But little bit of impurity of magnesium is present here in dolomite, and in limestone there is no magnesium. Gypsum, calcium sulfate. So this is sulfate form of ore. Not sulfide, sulfate form of ore. Is that clear? It is available from Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Next is silver. There are two main or chief ores of silver. One is horn silver and other is silver glans. Horn silver is silver chloride, so it is chloride form, and silver glans is sulfide form of ore, and it is available in Bihar. Children, Bihar should have been a very rich state, right? But I'm afraid to say it is one of the, yes, very poor state of India, correct? And maybe because of the politics that is being played there, right? Fine. So children, what shall we do next? We'll see extraction of iron from hematite. How iron is removed from hematite. That long process. I mean metallurgy. लेकिन हम मेटलर्जी सीधा कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ओर से आगे देखेंगे. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, चिल्ड्रन, जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रोसेस है, दोज आर फिजिकल प्रोसेस, सिंपल फिजिकल प्रोसेसेस. ऑलराइट, लाइक मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन, फिर सल्फाइड से पानी में डुबो दिया, करेक्ट, देन सेंट्रिफ्यूगेशन, ये सारी सिंपल फिजिकल प्रोसेसेस है. सो रिमूवल ऑफ इंप्योरिटीज बाय सिंपल फिजिकल प्रोसेस, दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ओर. लेकिन कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ओर पाने के बाद उसमें से हेमेटाइट कैसे मिलता है, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. वन मोर वी शैल सी, एंड दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम. हाउ वी गेट एल्यूमिनियम फ्रॉम बॉक्साइट. वंस अगेन, सीधा एल्यूमिनियम जो हमें अर्थ क्रस्ट से मिलता है, अर्थ क्रस्ट से, उसको पहले हम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रोसेस करेंगे. लेकिन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रोसेस कैसे करते हैं? बाय सिंपल फिजिकल प्रोसेसेस. तो वो हम नहीं देखेंगे. सीधा कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ओर, मतलब बॉक्साइट है, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ओर, उसमें से एल्यूमिनियम कैसे मिलता है, हेमेटाइट से आयरन कैसे मिलता है. विल सी दैट. ओके, आर यू रेडी फॉर इट? गुड. All right, children. So, as we were talking about extraction of metal from its ore, okay, let us see how iron metal is extracted from its ore. Children, iron has been a very useful metal since a long time. Okay, we have been using iron since many years. All right. Well, we have learnt there are few ores of iron: hematite, magnetite, siderite, iron sulfide. All right, but mostly iron is extracted from hematite, which is oxide form of ore. I'm talking about hematite here. Its chemical formula is Fe2O3. Fe2O3. Children, you know Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. O minus 2, O minus 2. If you talk about oxide, so here it will join directly FeO, that is ferrous oxide, and Fe2O3, this is ferric oxide. So this hematite is nothing but ferric oxide. Fe2O3 is the molecular formula of hematite. Is that clear? Okay. Well, how is this extraction done? For that we need this arrangement. It is called blast furnace. Alright? From bottom it is narrow, in the middle it is wider, and again at the top it is narrower. Alright, children? There are two inlets here through which hot air is blasted into the furnace. That's why this is called blast furnace. Blasting with hot air means introducing that hot air with very high temperature and high pressure. Okay. Now, there are two outlets to remove slag. Soon we are going to see what is slag. And molten iron. Well, there is a hooper here. It is cup, conical shaped device, alright, which can be moved up and down. See children, here there is an inlet through which this mixture, hematite plus few things, are introduced into the blast furnace from the top. Alright? Now this cup-shaped, conical cup-shaped structure yes, from this can be pulled up or lowered down. Alright, when it is lowered down, this inlet opens and the mixture falls or gets introduced inside the blast furnace. And once it is introduced, yes, this hooper is pulled up, so it closes and the reaction takes place. Alright, so this keeps on opening, closing, opening, closing. Alright, fine. Now, this inner layer of the blast furnace is made up of fireproof bricks because here very high temperature is attained by the device. So there is every chance of catching fire. But the inner lining of the wall is done with fireproof bricks. So yes, it remains prevented from catching fire. Alright children. Now there is a mixture of iron oxide, that is hematite, Fe2O3 plus sand, its molecular formula is SiO2, also called silica, coke, that is carbon, and limestone, that is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. These four things together are introduced into blast furnace. Alright, and you can see in the blast furnace the temperature is different. At the bottom you find higher temperature and at the top there is lower temperature. So if you move from below upwards, the temperature decreases in the blast furnace. Or if you move from up to down, yes, the temperature increases. Fine. Now, how the reaction takes place? As this mixture gets introduced into the blast furnace, yes, it gets experience of hot air. It combines as it moves down. Yes, it combines with hot air. So first, this coke reacts with oxygen. The coke in the mixture reacts with oxygen, forming carbon dioxide. So this is the children. All these processes occur simultaneously, not one by one. Please be careful. But I am putting number 1, number 2, number 3 for us to understand it well. So coke combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Alright. Second, because of the heat here, this limestone, calcium carbonate, decomposes due to that heat into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Alright children. Now, this carbon dioxide, third, carbon dioxide combines with more coke. It combines, carbon dioxide is formed and this thing continuously keeps on falling. So inside coke is there. So carbon dioxide reacts with more coke to form carbon monoxide. And children, this carbon monoxide is very important. वो खेल खेलता है hematite से. It reacts with hematite. So Fe2O3 plus carbon monoxide, okay, reduces to Fe3O4 plus carbon dioxide. Children, be careful. एक एटम आयन और ऑक्सीजन का बढ़ गया. This is ferric oxide and this is called ferroso-ferric oxide. Be careful. Now, this is continuous process. This product which is formed, Fe3O4, reacts with more carbon monoxide. वो और ज्यादा कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड से रिएक्ट करता है and it forms this one +2 वाला ferrous oxide. Fe plus 2O minus 2 join directly. FeO plus carbon dioxide. And this FeO plus carbon monoxide further reacts and forms iron and very interestingly gives carbon dioxide. In the last one, carbon dioxide is obtained. Alright children? Yeah, carbon dioxide is obtained everywhere. You can see that. Okay? But initially you have hematite which is converted into ferrous ferric oxide, which is further converted into ferrous oxide, and ferrous oxide, yes, oxide form of metal is reduced to metal, iron. Is that clear? Now this metal obtained is in molten form, children. It is in molten form because of very high temperature inside the blast furnace. Children, सबका खेल खत्म हुआ है. देखो, इसका खेल खत्म हुआ इस प्रोसेस में, इसका खेल खत्म हुआ इसमें और इसमें, करेक्ट, ये दो में, और कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट यहां. लेकिन ये एक चीज रह गई है. कैन यू सी दैट? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड इज लेफ्ट आउट. ये सब मिक्सचर में वो भी प्रेजेंट है बिकॉज इट इज ऑब्टेन ऑन डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. और यहां ये बाकी रह गया. सो देयर रिएक्ट कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस सिलिका गिव्स कैल्शियम सिलिकेट CaSiO3. This is calcium silicate and that is called slag. वो भी molten form में है. This is also in molten form. This iron obtained is also in molten form. So both are in molten form and they are collected at the bottom, but they are immiscible. दोनों एक दूसरे में soluble नहीं है, immiscible है. So they remain separate. Yes, iron has higher density, वो heavier है, and slag, all right, that is calcium silicate, has lower density, थोड़ा lighter है, so they remain up. And then there is one outlet which is arranged at the top to remove slag, and other outlet is arranged at the bottom to remove this liquid iron. Is that clear to you, children? Molten iron. Now this iron is cooled, all right, and then yes, whatever sheets are prepared from it, yeah, blocks are prepared, and this slag after cooling is used in construction of roads. All right, children, we have steel plants at many places in India, but few places are Bhilai, Durgapur, Rourkela and Jamshedpur. Children, Bhilai is in Chhattisgarh state, which was formerly a part of Madhya Pradesh. Durgapur, it's in West Bengal. Rourkela, it is in Odisha. And Jamshedpur is in Jharkhand. Formerly it was in Bihar. Alright, children? So this is how iron is extracted from hematite. And we have, yes, popular steel plants at these places in India. Okay? Good. Children, you can see variation of temperature in the blast furnace. Alright? The temperature where you see 1773 Kelvin to 1973 Kelvin is where coke combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. It is highly exothermic process. So here heat is produced. And where you see lower temperature where carbon dioxide combines with coke to form carbon monoxide. And this is endothermic process. So heat is absorbed here. Okay, children? Okay. Now, once the process of extraction of iron starts, the operating of blast furnace can continue for 10 more years, children. Alright then, now let us see extraction of aluminium, which is in the form of alumina, Al2O3, which is 99.5% pure aluminium, from bauxite, which is one of the ore of aluminium. And its molecular formula is Al2O3 dot twice H2O. Please be careful. Bauxite formula is also Al2O3 and aluminium formula is also Al2O3. But when AlO3 represents bauxite, there are a lot of impurities in it. And when Al2O3 formula represents alumina, it is 99.5% pure aluminium. Okay? Chalo. Now, to get aluminium from bauxite, whatever process we employ, is called Bayer's process because it was developed by a scientist named Bayer. Alright children, now how this process takes place? Alright, bauxite. Children, bauxite जब हमको मिलता है तब उसकी फॉर्मूला ये है, but concentrated bauxite, we know powdering and then concentrating process. At the end of concentration process, you get concentrated ore of bauxite. उसकी फॉर्मूला बनती है Al2O3. But this is different. There is lot of impurities here, and here only 0.5% impurity is there. So this bauxite has two things: iron oxide and silica as impurity. Iron oxide and silica as impurity. Alright, I'll write the formula. Al2O3 plus iron oxide, Fe2O3 plus silica, SiO2. ये तीन चीज बॉक्साइट में होती है. Correct children? Now, what is done? This mixture is added to sodium hydroxide solution, which is 45% solution. Means what? In 100 liters of this solution, 45 liters is sodium hydroxide and the rest 55 liters is water in it. Alright? Okay. So, this mixture is treated with 45% solution of sodium hydroxide. Now I am going to divide this reaction into parts. इसका reaction इसके साथ बता दूं मैं पहले. So Al2O3 plus NaOH. Children, बहुत सारी conditions है. Alright? एक तो ये solution 45% solution चाहिए. Correct? Then at 433 Kelvin temperature तक उसको हीट करना है. एक क्लोज कंटेनर में डाल के उसको 433 केल्विन टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करके हीट करना है. ऑलराइट, एंड 5 to 6 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर को मेंटेन करना है. एंड दिस हीटिंग प्रोसेस इज टू बी डन फॉर एटलीस्ट 6 to 8 hours. ये करने से दिस सोडियम रिएक्ट्स विथ बॉक्साइट टू प्रोड्यूस सोडियम एल्यूमिनेट. Sodium aluminate. All right. Its formula is NaAlO2 plus you get water. Please, this formula you'll have to learn by heart. Okay. Now children, ये तो इसका रिएक्शन इसके साथ हुआ. अब आयन का कोई भी रिएक्शन नहीं होता है इसमें. जब ये मिक्सचर को हम इस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन में डालेंगे तो दिस आयन ऑक्साइड उसका कुछ भी रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. इट रिमेन्स इनसॉल्युबल इन इट. लेकिन ये सिलिका का रिएक्शन होगा. सिलिका SiO2 प्लस NaOH. आई एम शोइंग इट सेपरेटली. करेक्ट, यही प्रोसेस. इट विल, इसने सोडियम एल्यूमिनेट दिया एंड दिस विल गिव सोडियम सिलिकेट. ऑलराइट, इट गिव्स यू सोडियम सिलिकेट. Let me write here. Sodium aluminate. This one. Alright. Now what is the formula of sodium silicate? Na2SiO3 plus water. Alright children. Now this sodium aluminate and sodium silicate both are soluble in water. Whereas this ferric oxide, iron oxide बोलिए, remains insoluble, remains unreacted. So at the end of this process, what you are going to get? NaAlO2 plus Na2SiO3 plus water में है ये सब plus Fe2O3. ये insoluble है. This is insoluble. So हम क्या करेंगे? Filtration. We'll do the filtration. So this insoluble substance is removed और ये जो liquid या solution हमें मिला, that is called filtrate. Now in this filtrate, yes, in water both the things are dissolved. Sodium aluminate and sodium silicate. And children remember, our target is extracting aluminium. ये हमारे लिए important है. Correct? Now, ये जो filtrate मिला हमें, उसका हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हैं. Hydrolysis. Okay? Hydrolysis means what? Adding water in excess amount and constantly stirring. जैसे जैसे पानी डालते जाएंगे, stirring has to be done. Correct? So, what happens, children, when you do that? This sodium aluminate, NaAlO2, reacts with water, H2O, forming two hydroxide. एक एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और दूसरा सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. एल्यूमिनियम Al+3 हाइड्रोक्साइड OH -1. ये आयनिक कंपाउंड है, so you can write that AlOH thrice plus, yes, sodium is Na+1, OH is -1, so NaOH सीधा लिख सकते हैं. So ये दो मिला हमको. Correct? Now this is in the form of precipitate. This octane is in the form of precipitate. Precipitate means insoluble substance. जो पहले soluble था इस filtrate में, now gradually becomes insoluble and separates out from the filtrate. Correct? Okay. लेकिन ये precipitate में convert हो गया in the form of aluminium hydroxide और ये still उसमें dissolve form में ही रहा. उसका reaction water के साथ नहीं हुआ. So now once again हम क्या करेंगे? Filtration. So जो precipitates है ऊपर रह जाएंगे और जो filtrate वापस मिलेंगे उसको जाने दो, क्योंकि हमारा precipitate में aluminium है. So this aluminium hydroxide that we got, all right, it is heated at a temperature 1473 Kelvin. Yes, but before heating it is washed thoroughly and dried, and then it is heated at 1473 Kelvin temperature, and that gives you Al2O3 plus, yes, of course, that water is removed out. You get, and this is your 99.5% pure aluminium. Is that clear to you? Okay, so hope you have understood. This is how aluminium in the form of alumina, which is 99.5% pure, is extracted from bauxite by Bayer's process. Children, if you want 100% pure aluminium, we have seen another method, Hall-Héroult method. That is reducing, yes, alumina to aluminium by electrochemical reduction. Isn't it, children? Fine. So, that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.